Creating and editing Spotify workout playlists for motivation on Android follows a similar process to that on other platforms. Here's a step-by-step guide tailored for Android users. Let's get started. Open the Spotify app on your mobile device. Tap on your library, located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap the plus button to create a new playlist, then select Playlist. Give your playlist a name that resonates with your workout theme, like gym motivation or workout beats. Now, tap the Add to this playlist button to begin adding songs to your newly created playlist. Search for songs that match your preferences. When you find a song you want to include, tap the plus button to add it to your desired playlist. To remove a song from your playlist, return to your library and select the playlist you've just created. Then, tap the song's name within the Added to You section. Locate the song you wish to remove and tap the three dots next to it. From the menu that appears, select Remove from this playlist. And there you have it, you've successfully created and edited your Spotify workout playlist on your Android device. Enjoy your workout with your personalized motivational tunes.
Thanks again for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and leave your comments below.